How to add or remove vehicles from your progressive policy. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add or remove vehicles from progressive insurance policy. For that, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar, you need to type progressive.com. Now press enter to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Progressive Insurance Policy page. Here, make sure you have already logged into your account. Also, you may add or remove vehicle from Progressive Policy by contacting them. For that, from this page, you need to click on this resources option from the top. Once you click on it, you will be presented with this page. Here you can see Contact Us option. Or also you can click on this Chat Now link, and then from there you can request to the Progressive page to add or remove the vehicle. Click on this link and now you will be redirected to this page. Now from this page you need to click on this Start Chat button. Once you do so, now you will be able to chat with the virtual assistant of this Progressive policy. Here you can add anything like I want to add a vehicle and then click on the send button to send it. You can also write I want to remove any vehicle you have added previously. Now wait for a while until you get the reply message from Flow. After that, you will need to fill out the necessary details such as your vehicle name, model, year, and then you need to choose the coverage options you want for the new vehicle. Review them and submit your form. Also, if you want to remove the vehicle, you need to first find the vehicle you would like to remove and select the option to remove it. After that, you need to confirm to remove the vehicle from your policy. Also, if you prefer to handle this over the phone or have any specific questions, then you can also call Progressive Customer Service. For that, you need to click on this Call 24/7 option right here, and then you will find the contact details here. You can call them and request to add or remove the vehicle directly. Or you may also click on the Send Email button right here and send an email along with the vehicle details. So by following these steps, you should be able to add or remove vehicles from your Progressive policy. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.